Hi lovelies, do you want to know how I transformed this sofa from this to this? Then keep watching because that's what I'm about to show in this video. So in our last vlog we showed that we got a new sofa, and for that reason we needed to give this one out, but obviously not in this state because it is dirty. The color of this sofa is beige and we got it from a charity store, but it was originally made by Habitat. So I went online to check how to clean Habitat couch or sofa. Also, this chair is made from a fabric, so it's not a leather chair. If you're doing any cleaning, make sure to go online to check the cleaning code of whatever you're cleaning first, so you know the best products to use to clean them. So because it's a fabric chair, it was easy to use water or any solvent to clean it. But the other challenge is there is no sunlight to properly dry it after using water to clean it where I live. To properly clean this sofa, I had to bring out all the parts, like separate them into their bits and pieces. I had to take out all the dirt from underneath this sofa. The most effective and safe way to do this was to use our vacuum cleaner. This way I don't get all the dirt and dust everywhere. If you look closely, you see that I first went in with the narrow head and then I went in with the one that had like a brush head. So I saw this hack on YouTube here and I decided to use it. It's basically using alcohol, water and dishwasher poured into a spray bottle to use in cleaning the chair, and that's what we're doing here. There are different ways of cleaning, but I chose this one because I had the products on ground and I didn't want to use something that I wasn't familiar with. I was already familiar with this product. I know that they will do the cleaning because I know alcohol is a very good cleaning agent, and I know that the dishwasher has a lot of chemicals in it that helps to do the washing out, cleaning as well, which was why I went for this option. I used my methylated spirit because it had a very large percentage of alcohol. So my cleaning solution is ready here and I'm just showing it, and I'm going to be using this brush as well. It's not a very hard brush, it's quite soft but not too soft, so it was doing the work. And then to extract out all the water and to help rinse this better, I'll be using this vase cleaner we got last year for our carpet. Because I'm already using the dishwasher, I'm not going to be adding any carpet cleaner or any sort of solution to this water. I'm just using water to rinse. So here I'm just going in with the solution I've made in my spray bottle, and then I'm just going in with the brush to properly scrub the sofa. After using the brush, I went in with my vacuum cleaner, my carpet cleaner, sorry, and then I started spraying it with water and then started taking out the water at the same time. This is just to give a kind of rinse, not to leave the solution that I've used in the couch or sofa, whatever name you're familiar with. So basically that's what I was doing here. I was spraying, using the brush to take out all the dirt, and then I was going in to use the carpet cleaner to rinse the sofa, to give it a very, very good rinse and to take out the dirt completely. Because if I use this solution without using the carpet cleaner to take out to rinse it, it's definitely not going to do a very good job. The solution is going to stay in the sofa, which is actually not good. I don't know if this will apply to people who have pets, because I don't know if there is a special cleaner for cleaning sofa if you've got pets. I don't know. But if you've got pets and you're watching, please put in the comments if this is a very good cleaning solution for people who have pets. Thank you. After I was done cleaning, this was what I had, but I still needed to dry the parts of the sofa. So yeah, but there was no enough sunlight, and well, that was a big one for me. So this is what the dirt that came out from the sofa, this is what it looks like. And that's because we always clean this sofa, so it wasn't that bad. Yeah, and immediately I spotted a little glimpse of sunlight. I had to bring out all the parts of the sofa to dry it properly outside, even though this this sunlight was like a flash of, flash of light, because it wasn't up to 45 minutes later and everything became gloomy again. But I'm so happy because I was able to use it when it came out. And this was when the sofa was half dry. You can see the arm of the sofa was not properly dry yet here, because I couldn't take out the bigger part of the sofa outside. I only took out the parts. And yeah, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Did I do a good job? And if you've learned one or two things from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment for me in the comment section. Bye bye.